flooded with options, how do you know what's truly top tier? What if the parts you trust were tested in the toughest conditions before they ever reached your ride? At R.N.G. Performance, we're not here to sell you just anything. We're here to elevate your ride with parts that pass the ultimate test, ours. From precision clutch kits to high-performance ECU tunes, every part is tested in real-world conditions. If it doesn't meet our standards, it doesn't make it to your machine.
Hang out with R.N.G. all the time, go camping with them, ride with them. I'm actually one of his test dummies. We test out his clutch kits and different things for the company, help him out. Then I started watching videos of Steve's, on these CFMOTOs, and I thought, man, I'm going to check into one of those. So I started checking into them, and ended up buying one, and traded that for another one, and I love them. They're great, cheap fun.
So talk about the first communication with Steve. Was it through his YouTube channel? Did you go drive down and meet him in person?
I actually reached out to him on Facebook, through Market Messenger, I should say, and told him I had a CFMOTO. I wanted to check out his clutch kits and stuff and talk to him a little more. He shot me his address. He's only a half hour from me, so I drove down, met him, talked with him. We put a clutch kit in the buggy, took it for a ride. We've been friends ever since, Anytime I get a chance, I go down and see him and check everything out and see what he's got new and see what we can test out.
Now, watching his videos for the first time, what was your first impression? Like, wow, this guy's really knowledgeable, or he's just trying to sell me something, or what was it?
No, he wasn't trying to sell anything. He was just trying to help people, and that's all he's about. He's been a good guy. Any questions, he'll answer them. Doesn't cost you anything. He's just an all-out great guy. He knows what he's talking about. He does a good job with everything, and that's why I like him, and I'll deal with him. I buy products from him and everything. So.
And now you would probably consider him a really good friend.
Oh yeah, he's like a brother now. We've known each other 3 or 4 years now, and we do all kinds of stuff.
Founded by enthusiasts for enthusiasts, R.N.G. Performance is built on over 30 years of passion for off-roading and racing. We understand what it takes to push machines and riders to the limit. Every order is handled with the utmost care, ensuring you receive only the best. And with our dedicated customer support, you're never alone on your journey. Whether you're in Canton or across the country, R.N.G. Performance is here to support your adventure. Don't settle for less. Choose R.N.G. Performance, the name trusted by riders who demand excellence.
So what did you think of the CFMOTOs out there on the trails yesterday? Since you haven't ridden before, what's the initial thought?
Well, at first I was a little nervous and never done it, but we got out there and with all the upgrades and everything he's done to that CFMOTO, that thing just rode so smooth, and great.
So as Steven kind of, I feel like this could be like an addiction thing. Like, oh man, I'm putting all this stuff. Has he fed that addiction?
Oh yeah. I went from just a clutch kit to tuning it and just different modifications and stuff. It's a lot of fun.
What's the best part of being out there riding?
Freedom. Just the freedom. I just enjoy it.
My name's Paul Hayes. I'm Stephen Hayes' father. He invited me out here to go riding. He's kind of been on me a little bit to come out and go riding with him. A little hesitant. I've never owned one of these side-by-sides. I've never driven one, so a little hesitant on that. But we came out yesterday morning and we went out riding, and man, it's like really, really great, I enjoyed it. And then my buddy Rex here, he's enjoying it. He just goes along for the ride.
When Steven was little, would you have ever envisioned him to get into this stuff right here?
In a way, yeah, I could see him doing that because, back in the day when he was like 4, I got him into dirt bikes and all that, and used to take him racing on the weekends, and he'd take state title after state title. He was no fear. So he did great. And then he rode the little Yamahas, and he would take state championship year after year, and he had so many trophies, and then it just kind of progressed into there. And as he got a little older, of course, he needed something bigger, and then he just, over the years, just kept it going.
So with this, whole thing going on, he starts this YouTube channel. And when he told you that, what were your thoughts on that? And then when you started watching videos, what'd you think?
Well, when he first started out, it was a little bit slow, but yeah, as just a short amount of time, I mean, he just got so many people, involved in that. I mean, I don't watch a lot of the videos. I do watch some, but not a video kind of guy. But yeah, he's come a long way in a short amount of time.
And it's a family affair. The family's involved in the business. What's that been like to see how that's grown and to see them getting a chance to kind of do this as a family?
I think that's great for him. You know what I mean? I really do. And glad he found that thing that he's really good at. Helps a lot of people out. To him, it's not about the money. It's about people and friends and getting together and going riding and
So you've met a lot of new people here today.
Right.
What's it been like meeting these people? Have they said anything to you about Redneck Garage and how great it is?
Well, I'm not a social kind of guy too much, but people are nice, and they just get together. And I mean, personally, I'm a little slow on the trails first time out, but if they're way ahead, they will stop and make sure you're still on your way, Everybody watches out for everybody, which is a good thing. I'm actually thinking about buying one now, to be honest.
Okay.
And then if I go buy one, first stop is going to be his shop. They can do some upgrades because he did a phenomenal job on that one that I was riding in yesterday. And just so smooth, and I thought I was going to get beat around to death, but no, just rode like a Cadillac. Yeah, it was great.
Does he talk to you a lot about the business?
No, not too much. No, he's kind of a busy man. He doesn't have much time for himself. You kind of got to get away like this once in a while. I'm a business owner too, so I know all about it. So yeah.
So if we're looking back in 10 years, 15, 20 years, what are your hopes for R.N.G? What do you hope that it grows into for him and the family?
I mean, I hope he has a dealership and he just does what he likes to do. That's the main thing. You got to be able to like what you're doing, and just take it as far as you can get it.